welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Deepak Collection. This is an exclusive retail studio for boys, girls, ladies and men. Total retail studio, only offline, no online. And this comes in a street called Sudhamanagar, which comes nearby Lal Bagh, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in Lal Bagh Road. So this is Lal Bagh Road. And right opposite to this, you can just see there is called Brahmananda Court. So this one landmark. Right next to that, there is Blossom Banquet Hall. In between this, you have to go. There is a street you can just see. So just inside this street, you have to go. So when you come little bit forward, you can just check. Here is outlet is the Deepak Collection, exclusive retail outlet, exclusive family store. Totally 4 floors are there, very huge retail studio. So this is outlet, you can just have a look. Only offline, no online. There is no online, only offline. 4 episodes are going to come. One is for boys, one is for girls, one is for men, one is for women. And the Google Maps, Instagram link, YouTube link is in description below. They'll be uploading regular videos over there. So you can subscribe to the channel over there also. You'll be getting regular updates. This second floor. And in this episode, I'm going to show you entire ladies wear. So you can just have a look. This second floor. Totally 4 floors are there. Ground floor is for girls. First floor is for boys. Second floor is for ladies. Third and fourth floor is for men's. So this entire section, you will get for ladies. A to Z ladies clothes you will get over here. Total retail outlet. No online, only offline. Number is on video screen. WhatsApp video call them. They are going to send you all the details. Whatever price I have seen, it's very reasonable. 4 episodes are going to come. Each floor, each episode is going to come. Any more detail, you can just WhatsApp them. They are going to send you all the details. So right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Hardik Jain. Hi Hardik, welcome to my show. Hardik, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
Yes, hello. Welcome to Deepak Collection. This is a complete family store. We get here for men's, boys, ladies and girls.
So there is no online, it's only offline.
Yes.
And how many years over for you in this business?
So my dad has been in this business for more than 15 years.
What is the timing of your outlet?
Timing is 12 o'clock in the morning to 9:30 in the night.
So hi Hardik, welcome to my show again. Hardik,
hello.
in this episode, what you are going to show right
I'm
now?
going to show you the ladies floor, which is the second floor of our store.
Okay.
And I'm going to take you to a tour.
In this floor, what and all you'll get for
We
ladies?
get everything for ladies. Lehengas, gowns, kurti set, plazo set, t-shirts, jeans, cotton pants, night pants.
And what age to what age you'll get?
Jackets. We get all elder, young, older sizes.
So for women's?
Yeah, for women.
Okay.
Basically.
Okay, then would you like to show some
Young
samples?
adults. Yeah, and just show you these jumpsuits. This
So
is a
this-
jumpsuit stand.
And in jumpsuit, what size to what size we'll get?
You get everything from S size to 2XL.
Okay, would you like to show some sample? What is the starting price in jumpsuit?
The starting price is 220. This is
220. Okay.
shirt. I'll show you jumpsuit. This is a jumpsuit.
Okay.
So the price is 150 rupees.
150 rupees. Okay, in this you'll get different varieties.
Yes,
lot of
different
varieties are there in jumpsuit.
Yes.
So apart from then jumpsuit, what you have next? Gowns.
Gowns.
Okay, in gowns, what size to what size we'll get?
SML XL,
Okay.
double XL.
Okay.
And these are some of the varieties that we have.
And starting prices?
The starting price is 300 rupees.
300 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And
goes up to 600 rupees.
so this entire collection you can just see is of gowns. This collection is of jumpsuit. You can just see the varieties, lot of varieties. And this section is also for gowns. So many varieties are there, more than 100 varieties you'll get for gowns.
More than 400 varieties.
More than 400 varieties of gowns. All size you'll get. Price it all prices are different. Then apart from gowns, what do you get here? Kurtis.
We have kurtis.
Okay.
So the starting size is S to 2XL.
Okay. And
So-
starting prices?
Starting price is 180 rupees.
Okay.
You go up to 450 rupees.
Okay. In this, how many collection you'll get? 100?
More than 400.
400 varieties of kurtis you'll get. This is one sample. You can
400,
just
more than 500 I guess.
more than 500 varieties,
This is
and
a
you
plain
get
kurti.
okay.
So
Alia cut, Naira cut, everything.
Everything is there.
Okay. So
Yes.
this entire section you can just see is of kurtis and all. Size is there, starting price is there. Lot of varieties are there in kurtis, A to Z. Women clothes,
Yes.
women clothing you will get over here. You can just see the varieties of the kurtis. This entire section is for kurtis. More than 400 varieties are there. All prices are different. If you want, you can come to the outlet. They'll guide you in everything. Then apart from kurtis, what do you get?
this is a plazo set section.
Okay, this is a
In
plazo
this
set.
also you get size from S to 2XL.
Okay, and starting prices?
These are the sets.
Okay.
The price is, starting price is 320 rupees.
Okay,
And it goes up to 620 rupees.
620. Okay.
Yes.
In this
This is
also
a
one, how much collection you having?
In this we have more than 1,000 varieties.
1,000 varieties you are having.
Plazo sets.
Plazo set, you can just see these are size also. I told you all prices are different of plazo set. Just see the varieties again. This plazo set, this section.
Yes.
And
So
what about this?
This is the ladies jeggings.
Okay,
So the starting price is 200. You get so many varieties in this.
okay.
Then this is also the jeans pant section. I can show you the jeans pant also later.
Size what we'll get?
Size you get 28 size to 36
Okay.
in this.
How many collection we'll get in jeggings and jeans?
Jeggings you get over 100 varieties.
Okay, and
There are
jeans?
100 different colors and prints.
Okay, and jeans?
And then this is a jeans section
For ladies.
for ladies.
Okay,
You get everything.
okay, cool. Baggy,
Ankle fit,
cargo.
baggy fit, high waist, low waist, bell bottom. There's everything. You name
Okay.
it and it is there.
You can just see the collections of the jeans. This entire section is for ladies. All types of jeans you'll get here. Whatever is latest trending, that kind of jeans. Size what we'll get?
Size is there from 26 to 38.
Okay, and
For
starting
ladies.
price of jeans is?
150 rupees. We have a
150.
sample right over here.
This is 150?
rupees. Yes, this is 150.
Nice.
We have mixed variety also. This is 370 rupees.
370.
This is high waist pant. We have cotton pants also.
Okay. In this what size to what size we'll get?
Same. 26 to 38.
Starting price
price is
150.
150.
Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the final rate, whatever is there on label.
Yes.
Okay.
We have formal pants for ladies.
Oh, nice. For office wear everything.
Office wear also. This is
Okay.
also 160 rupees.
And in this what size to what size we'll get?
Same size, 26 to 38.
So if you want for office wear, you want for regular wear, anything, you can
Yes.
wear anything in any way. So this section is for more like formal wears. So this section you get all the frocks and all.
Frocks, yes, the ladies' frocks.
Okay. So
One
what
of the
size to what
samples.
size we'll get?
Yes, we get from S to XL.
Okay. And how much is what is the starting
The
price?
starting price is 400.
Okay.
And it goes up to 700, 750.
This entire collection you can just see on the left and right side. This is for frocks.
Yes.
You can just see the varieties and all. And this all are the collections of frocks. And this is the collection for lehenga and all. So in lehenga, what is the starting price?
Again, 550.
And size what we'll get?
S to 2XL.
S to 2XL. Again, this entire collections you can just see of lehenga. How many varieties you'll get? How much
You
collection?
get around 300, 350 varieties in
300,
lehenga.
350 varieties you will get for
Lehenga,
lehengas. So
yes.
this is that section. You can just have a look. Then this section is for skirt.
Yes, skirt.
And what is the starting price?
Starting price is 250.
250. Okay. And
We
size?
get up to 300. It is a 5-meter skirt.
And size? Okay. And
Size-
collection? How many
Size
you'll
is
get?
more than 300 collections in skirt alone.
Okay. In this also you'll get different varieties, right?
Yes.
So these are collections of the skirts. You can just have a look. Price he told you. And then what about this section?
This is complete fancy chudidars
Okay.
for ladies.
Okay.
The starting price is 500
Okay.
and it goes up to 700 rupees.
Size what we'll get?
Size you get same XL to 2XL.
And in this also how many collections we have for chudidar?
We have over 500 collections in chudidar.
So this entire section is for chudidar. So if you want to come, you can come. Trial room is there, changing room is there, everything is here. And this section is for tops.
Yes, tops. So
Okay.
we have ladies tops over here.
Okay.
These are the shrugs.
Okay.
Basically.
So size what we'll get?
Size we get from S to 2XL.
Okay, and starting prices?
Starting price is 80 rupees.
Okay.
It goes up to 220.
In this how many collections we'll get?
You get more easily 700 plus collections.
700 collections are there in ladies tops. You can just have a look. By seeing only you can make it out. There are so many varieties. You can come here and it's not possible to show everything. You can just make it out how many varieties they are having. And then this entire section is tops only.
Yes, tops.
This entire section is tops
This is the bottom. Ladies
Okay.
night wear.
okay.
Track pants.
In track pants, what size to what size we'll get?
S to 2XL.
And price starting?
Price is 120 starting.
Okay.
So 350.
And in this also, how much collections we'll get?
Track pants you get easily 500.
Wow.
Different colors and prints.
And these are the shrugs.
Shrugs.
You can just have a look if you want shrug. That also will get. Starting prices?
Starting price is 120 rupees.
Okay. And size what we'll
This
get?
is 90 rupees. You get all sizes. In this.
Okay. So
All
these are the
sizes.
varieties of shirts. Tops. You can just have a look. This entire section is tops. And what about this section?
This is quad sets.
Oh, wow.
Quad set for ladies. This is a sample.
Nice.
And the price is 600 fixed price.
Okay.
There is no different varieties in this.
Okay.
And you get around 3 to 4 colors.
Okay.
And
Size?
you have about 20 to 30 varieties in quad
Wow.
sets alone.
And size?
Size is M to 2XL.
Okay. This entire section is cot set.
Yes.
You can just have a look. This is cot set.
Yes.
Okay. And this section is all
All tops.
Tops.
And this is some jackets for ladies.
okay.
This is priced about 350.
Okay. Oh,
Winter
very
wear.
nice. Very cheap.
And
How much collection we'll get in
this is
jacket?
150.
150. Wow.
This is for 150 rupees.
Superb. Yeah.
So we have about 50 collections in sweaters and
Okay.
jackets.
Okay.
And then we have some office wear also.
Okay. This
For
entire
ladies.
section is tops. You can
This
just see.
entire collection is tops.
Just whatever we are walking through is all tops.
Yes. And we have some shirts also for ladies.
Okay. cool.
In this we get sizes from L to 2XL, M to 2XL.
Okay. And starting prices?
Starting price is 150 rupees.
In this, how much collection we'll get in shirts?
Shirts, there are about 30-40 varieties.
Okay. So before wind up, I just want to tell that we'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you love the collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.